So I have decided, since being on YouTube for about a good 45, 6, 7 days, yeah, that I'm no longer going to stick to a niche, however you say it. Okay, I have decided that I am going to do what I want to do, because there's a ton of big YouTubers that are on here. The first thing they'll tell you as a new content creator is, oh, stick to a niche. And I've been trying to stick to a niche, but that's not me. I don't like feeling like I'm in a box. Okay. And I always just tell people, like, when I was over there on the other side on TT, that I don't stick to a niche. I never been. Now, some people be like, oh, I feel like you're good at broadcast journalism, all those things, because I used to go over there and give the news about what was going on in the world, and I used to get a lot of views. I used to talk about everything. Okay. So I just feel like I'm gonna do what I want. And if it takes me longer to grow by doing what I want, then that's what happens, okay? Everybody knows that when you get on YouTube, that if you are trying to get monetized, that you have to get 4,000 watch hours. Listen, it's going to take a very long time, okay? Some people get on here and can get the 4,000 watch hours quick, because it depends on what type of content you're doing, if you decide to stick to a niche. Me right now, I have decided that I'm gonna just do what I want to do, because it is what it is. Either you like me or you don't. Either my content fits the narrative of you or it does not. Okay. You have a lot of people on here that tell you, like, stick to this when you first get started. I feel like, let people see your personality. If you want to come on here and make a video about how to make money like I just did the other day, then do that. If you want to come over here and teach people how to get more views, then do that. If you want to come on here and show you how to bake muffins and cookies, do that. That's what I've been doing, okay? So I have decided, if you are a new content creator like me, just do what you want starting off. Show your life, do whatever. I don't know. I'm about to rebrand my whole page and do what I want to do. I have a lot of videos that I privatize, that I put on private, because I decided that, I was like, when I was going through my mental phase of like, oh, maybe, I need to stick to a niche and I'll get more views, whatever. I'm getting the views. Getting the views is not the issue for me. And somewhat the watch time. The watch time, I'm like, me and the watch time is fighting currently right now when it comes to getting the watch time. So what I decided was, I am going to just create my page or my channel how I want to create my channel. I'm toning out all of these other high gurus that's been on the platform since like 2010, who come on here and tell you do all these extra points. I done seen like 3 to 4 or 5 different videos. One side tell you, oh, don't stick to a niche, you ain't got time, it's 2025, and YouTube is prioritizing small channels or small creators. Somewhat I feel that way, and somewhat I do not feel that way. I feel like either the people who like you will follow you or subscribe, and if they don't, I feel like it really doesn't matter if you're a small content creator or not. I don't see. And then this YouTube is monetizing small creators in 30 days. Exactly what do we mean by small? Are y'all saying small creators who already have 1,000 subscribers, who are currently working their way up towards getting the 4,000 watch hours? Because that's different. Because for me, when you make information or you put stuff out like that, you saying like somebody come on the platform, they ain't got no subscribers, 0, and get monetized in 30 days if they get on here and post for 30 days. I don't see that happening, unless, like I said, it depends on the content. And I ain't trying to rain on nobody parade. I'm just being realistic, okay? So I feel like that be monetized in 30 days is another one of those trends. And I too hopped on one of those trends once before, where we were talking about YouTube is in easy mode. I feel like YouTube can be in easy mode if you get on here and just be yourself. But there's really nothing easy about YouTube. Well, the easy part is doing your content. And do what you want to do. But as far as getting the views and subscribers, that's the part that's hard. I think that's the part people saying it's not easy. It's getting the subscribers and getting the watch time is the part there where other gurus like, YouTube is not an easy mode. I feel like the easy part is getting on here and uploading your video and just having a regular conversation with your people like I'm doing, and being yourself. So I feel like if you are a new content creator and you're trying to decide on what kind of content you want to put out, baby, just make the videos at this given point in time, because if it's your time to shine, it's going to be your time to shine. I have seen people that get on this platform and said they didn't start seeing the reap of their labor until like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20 years. Okay, like right now, the biggest content creator that I've seen on my page that I've been seeing multiple videos about is, I think, DoorDash or DoDash, however you say her name. I looked at a few of her videos. I feel like maybe she put the work in a long time ago and it's reaping her labor. Some people talking down upon her. Some people was like, you know, the downfall of DoorDash, whatever. I don't know. That's her business. I feel like she got an audience. She's doing what she's doing. She know what she's doing, and she dishing out videos every single day, left and right throughout the day. And I love it for her. Black sister, do your thing. Okay, so I feel like you got to get on the platform and you have to determine. And if you look at her content, she's like just talking to the people, showing people what she do on a regular basis. She just being a realistic person. So that's why I decided another thing too is just watching that, and then just other content in general. I'm not putting myself in a box. Okay, I'm just going to create my playlist from teaching people how to do X, Y, Z, how to make money online. When it came to affiliate marketing, all those things. Like, I don't have a high subscriber following on YouTube, but I did have a high following on TikTok. And due to the fact that TikTok is starting to diminish. You okay, baby? I woke up this morning with a ton of emails from brands that I worked with on TikTok before they banned me, emailing me, asking me to send them updated information about me, okay? So that, or any information just in case, because they may want to work with me again at X, Y, and Z. So I was like, okay, you know, whatever. So I'll take that and run with whatever it is. And if you are a small content creator, it is not hard to get. It's not really a brand deal. It's more so like they send you products for free and you just make a video off of it. So it's not a brand deal. You don't really, and some will exchange for money, right? Some you can get money in the item. Like these glasses was the first pair of frames that I got for free. Well, not first pair, but this, like the biggest item that cost, I feel like, money, because these are prescribed. I got these from affiliated marketing deal where pretty much they gave me the frames for free. They put the prescription in there. This is the second pair. The first pair I broke, but I ordered these again. But this is what the frames were. So don't think if you're a small content creator and you don't have that many subscribers that you can't get deals, because when that was happening on TikTok, I only had like 5,000 followers then. So, but anyways, do what you want to do, okay? Don't put yourself in a box. Don't do that. Come on here and just make it organized. That's all I'm going to say. Organize your page to where people can come and watch whatever it is. Because if you look at my shorts are just me being me. And that's what made me make the final decision that I decided to say, right, I'm going to do both long form and short form content. Even though I know I made videos saying that I'm trying to navigate to long form content, I have decided that I'm going to do both because right now it's working for me. And however I get my watch hours that I've been accumulating, I'm going to continue to do that. And plus, when I decided to privatize my videos, it decreased my watch hours. So I was like, you know what, let me unprivate these, put them in a category or a playlist to where, depending on what you want to watch, you can come watch this, you can come watch that, you can come learn, you can come figure out who I am as a person, and yada yada yada. Okay, so that's how I feel about that, because YouTube is not a easy platform to grow on. You do have to put the work in. But I think the biggest thing is that right now, what I've analyzed since doing this for like 45 days is that I think I got more connections or better connections when I do shorts, when I'm just showing who I am, versus when I am doing my content where I'm teaching people how to get the views and how to make money online. I get comments, things like that, and likes there, but I feel like people just want to have a genuine relationship through social media. Follow your life, right? As you're on social media and things like that. Like right now, people don't care about how you're looking. Some people say they have gotten the most views by looking good. Some people say they got the most views by just looking regular. Listen, I'm at home. I'm in mommy mode, wifey mode, all those things. I ain't got time to be trying to get dolled up to get on the camera. Who I am is who I am. I get dolled up Monday through Friday. I'm a school teacher to look presentable to my students, my children. Those are my other children, right? And to look professional while I'm on campus. But when I get home, I'm not walking around in no button-up t-shirt with some. I'm not doing it. Okay, I have on a regular old 7-on-7 football t-shirt that my kids played for once upon a time. I'm making a video. I'm drinking my coffee that I need to finish. I'm about to cook some lunch for my babies to eat when they come home from their practice, and I'm about to enjoy my day. I'm about to do laundry, all that stuff. Right now, the one thing that I am going to continue to do is dish out a video every single day, because I am still in my 30-day run of posting a video every single day to see what the effects are. Right now, I've gained over 50 subscribers in the last 28 days. Okay, so that was for the month of, that's a mixture of December and a mixture of January. Once I get to 28 days in January, I'll see how many subscribers I obtain then. Because right now it's only, what, the 17th or something like that? I don't know what today is, 18th. So yeah, so that's my advice as a new content creator on YouTube, is to just come on here and do your thing. Okay, have fun with it. If you want to niche down, great. But I just feel like right now, my opinion is my opinion. I don't care what nobody else say. People been on the platform for years, can post one video and get 20,000 views in less than 3 hours. This is not, listen, y'all trying to give us advice on what to do on the stuff that worked for you back then. This ain't back then. This YouTube algorithm is different from what I've noticed or what I've seen. And pretty much what I've learned from YouTube, just watching the platform from the outside, not posting content, dish out what YouTube want and you will get views. Okay, now figure out what YouTube want to get those views is what you have to determine. And that's why I said you continue to post different videos to see what people like in different niches. And then if something takes off from doing that, then do that. Okay, but that's just my feeling on that. But I'm going to continue to document my 30-day journey. This is actually 45 days, 46, 47 days of posting on YouTube to see what I end up with. All I know is right now, as being a content creator, I am not really worried about the subscribers. The subscribers have never been my end goal. Right now, my end goal, or to look at everything, is the watch time hours. The subscribers to me is a small thing. I know that sounds crazy. People are like, what? No, I'm not worried about getting the subscribers. Okay, getting the subscribers has never been my, like I said, my goal. Getting the watch time hours has been my goal, and I'm going to do that by posting what I want, being consistent, and having fun, period. And I'm going to reflect back in the next 2 to 3 months to see where I'm going. And then hopefully by December of 2025, I will be close to the watch hours that I need. Okay, but anyways, I'm just rambling. I'm just being on here, just being real. Okay, so if you, like I said, are mentally going through something in your brain, like, oh my gosh, like, what can I do? What I'm doing, baby, post what you want. That's all I got to say. Okay, bye.